Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series, and the problem is map the debris. Return a new array that transforms the element's average altitude into orbital periods in seconds. The array will contain objects in the format. This will be the format. You can read about orbital periods on Wikipedia. So we will need the formula for orbital periods. For orbital period, the formula is t equal to 2 pi and in a square root a cube by mu, which is equal to gm. Okay, let's get started. Let new arr equal to empty array, and we will use new arr as return value. Now on array arr, for each method we will apply and element let orb period equal to 2 into math dot pi into math dot square root, and inside that we will have earth radius plus element dot average altitude to the power 3, and this whole thing will be divided by means math. Inside math dot square root we will have division by gm, right? Yeah, okay, and we will use math dot round here to round the number. For math dot round, okay, and this should be in the end, right? For it will start from here to here. Okay, this one is correct, and let's after that we will need to create a new object. So we will create and push the object inside new array dot push, and for name we have element dot name, and for the orbital period we have orb periods variable. New arr this should be here, this should be here. Okay, now this looks good, and let's run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.